There they are.
Oh, there they are. Yeah.
This is our new tire cover from a friend of ours over in Tampa. Airbrush it for us. We had our trailer in the driveway all week due to some heavy water damage we had under this black diamond plate, which our friends of ours, Quality RV Repair, came out for 2 days and repaired it all. Came out great. And of course, having our trailer in the driveway all week, we had an unexpected HOA letter, which we'll let Susie read in a minute.
It's a beautiful Friday morning here in sunny Tampa, Florida, and we are heading north on 75 for our first trip out since our spring break trip to the Keys, and we are heading to Stephen Foster Cultural Park, State Park, and meeting up with 4 other couples, I think. So this will be a big camping weekend. We're super excited. And you've already heard about our little mishap with our HOA, as we had the trailer in the driveway getting fixed, and we've got some great shots to show you of that. Poor craftsmanship. Go figure, right? Well, this is what our HOA had to say about our trailer being in the driveway for 3 days. This letter is being written at the direction from the Board of Directors of the Meadows Homeowners Association. As a member, you are obligated to abide by certain predetermined rules and regulations. Blah, 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 blah. $200 violation. $200 violation. Due immediately. RV parked in driveway. Action needed. Removal immediately. Required compliance dates. Blah, blah, blah. Reported by neighbor. Can you imagine? We would have a neighbor.
We have a suspicious neighbor.
Very suspicious neighbor. We request that you be in compliance with the Homeowners Association documents so that no further action is necessary. Your cooperation in completing the items noted would be appreciated by your association and your neighbors and will help maintain an aesthetically pleasing community. Blah, 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 blah. Continue to read. We realize there are always 2 sides to a question, and we are eager to hear from you. Oh, they're going to hear from us, aren't they? I am definitely making sure they hear from us. Calls, emails. If you feel the rule in question shouldn't be applied in this particular case, please advise us in writing so we may consider your opinion. We have been notified of a possible misunderstanding. What does that mean, a possible misunderstanding? These people, oh my gosh. We noticed Buck's yard is way better looking than yours, and this is a joke, so please calm down. I really can't believe you fell for this. From pages 12 through 13 of Communications for Community Associations, blah, 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 blah. Gotta love our neighbors.
Buck.
Buck. This is for you. It was a joke. It was all a joke. We did fall for it.
It was good. It was on letterhead and everything. Legit
yes,
letterhead.
Legit letterhead.
You have arrived.
There's a little shady back here. It's kind of bad. Like you said, it's really not a bad spot.
No, it really isn't.
It's a little tight.
Yeah, it's a little tight.
That's the electric boat.
It's definitely a cool little campground. But this river better be pretty amazing.
Pretty amazing.
Doesn't look like Danny pretty funny. As I keep saying, he's the instigator, initiator of this trip. Stephen Foster's State Park in White Springs, Florida. We are looking forward to an exciting weekend of paddling down the Suwannee River, and you'll have to tune in to the next video in order to see that awesome and amazing paddling trip. We're here with a group of friends. Our friends Joe and Lisa are right across from us in a nice, wonderful, private, shady campsite. All of the sites here are great. That's us. And look who made it. Dan G., the instigator. Initiator of the trip. That's him right next to us with his dog, Finn. We've got some other friends here as well, Brenda and Dave, and they've got some family with them. Everyone's checking it all out, and Dave's going to bring us some moonshine a little bit later. Homemade apple moonshine. And we have our friends Barb and Jim here. They've brought their watercraft as well, of course, because we're all going to paddle. And this is the quacker, the mallard, the quacker. And we're going to go check out the bats. There's a bat house here at the park.
Yeah.
What is she doing?
Because she smells it. The guano on the ground.
Oh, Peanut.
It's in there. But she can smell it. You hear?
Oh, yeah.
What alcohol you put in there?
Oh no.
I'm like, I don't want to trade it in, I don't want to extend my loan from 4 years left to 6 years, Of course you can do that and get in with
Oh no.
money.
Peanut, don't go.
So
Peanut.
that day when they said it's going to replicate the problem, I just let's see what we could do.
Good girl, Peanut. Good girl, Peanut. Here he comes.
Brown beer.
Here he comes.
Yeah, because I bought 2 other vehicles from them.
Good girl, Peanut. Oh, don't throw it over there. Oh. Peanut. No. Oh. She's not that smart. Yeah, they're fine.
Two?
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one.
Hard to see them.
Yeah, where are they coming from?
The top, actually.
The top?
Yeah.
Zoomed on the wrong.
Oh, there's one. I know.
Really?
It was supposed to all come out at the same time, not like this one at a time bat show.
Right. It's blending into the background that we're not going to be able to see.
Look at me. Here I am. I know as soon as I turn this off, there's
Right.
going to be 50
That's
of them
when
come
they're going to
out.
all swarm out.
Right.
I'm not shimmy up the pole and shake them out.
There you go. That sounds like a good idea.
Just go, you ain't got to shimmy up the pole, just go shake it. Give a little shaky shake.
Yeah, they are coming out.
Oh my God. There they are.
Oh, there they are.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Just get a video because
Wow.
the picture's not going to take it. Yep.
Come stand over
Come here,
here.
you guys.
Now there they are.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Flashlight.
I can't.
That was good.
Wow. That was a good horror movie scream, wasn't it?
Might get the cops out on that one.
Hey, Peanut! Get out of there.
I didn't think they were so damn fast.
Oh, yeah.
There they are. Wow.
See them coming out.
Oh. Oh.
Whoa.
Wow. Oh, oh, they're disgusting.
Anybody getting a video?
Yeah, but I don't know if it's gonna come out.
Walk up here and you can see him. Go closer.
No.
Yeah, there you go. Uh-huh. Stand right here.
I mean, yeah, but it's dark on the video.
That is
Oh my gosh. Dave's famous apple moonshine. Oh yeah.
Want some?
No, I don't.
Oh.
Thank you.
Well, next time I have to bring more.
Uh-oh. All right.
Uh-oh. Cheers.
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 I got mine.
Oh, I see you do have something over there.
I do have something, yeah.
That is really good. This is the museum. Everything's closed this weekend. I think it's been closed for COVID and hasn't reopened yet. But there's weird, creepy cutout people all through the museum. I don't know why they're cutout people. And they're painted black. Kind of strange. Looks like it would be cool though if it was open. Peanut just flipped me around. Here's some more creepy cutout people. Maybe there's a master plan for the creepy cutout people. Oh, there they are. See? Creepy cutout people in the windows. What are they doing in that window? And then we have the family of creepy cutout people over here.